how to fix unexpected error occurred in Roblox. So in order to fix this issue, let's clear the local cache Roblox first. In order to clear the cache, go to run and search for local app data, or search for local app data and click on OK. And here search for Roblox and delete the folder and restart your game, and your problem should be solved. But if this does not solve the problem, go to your browser and go to settings and go to privacy and security and click on cookies and other site data. Scroll it down. Here you can see all data and permissions, and here search for Roblox and delete the data of roblox.com. And if both of the solutions don't work, go to Roblox player and click on properties, and in the compatibility option, run the compatibility troubleshooter, or you can use compatibility mode and you can choose Windows 8 or 7 or 8 and click on apply, and this should work. And for the last solution, please do make sure that you update your graphics drivers frequently. So this is how you fix unexpected error occurred in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.